Everything you see here today must remain absolutely confidential because, as you will soon understand, this is the most important tactical mission on Earth.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble...
Security breach. Tunnel 2. Lockdown.
Uh-oh. That's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Ravage. He's after the Allspark. No! We gotta catch him. Bumblebee, up on the catwalk. Behind you. Got it. Mission to go. Come on, let's get out of this city.
Autobots, roll out! I got Megatron! Keep going, Decepticons! Destroy them! Into the line, Earth's come.
Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time?
Fools! You can't escape Megatron!
Reverse thrusters, full throttle. How do we find a way out of here? Wrong way. We're trapped.
Surrender or perish! Your planet belongs to me!
Take cover! Look, escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Run his vortex. We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe.
Rookie, they trusted you with this mission!
We got it. Bone crusher. My gun's jammed. Engage. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit.
Humans!
Hold on. Brace yourself. Everybody okay? No. Gotta find a way down. Optimus!
Cowards run, heroes fight! Your war is with me!
Optimus!
Protect the Allspark! Just dropping in.
We're on our own. What do we do?
Beg for mercy.
No more running, recruits. He wants the Allspark?
He can have it!
Oh no!
Evac, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for being a challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with Evac anytime.